Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So you notice we haven't started any digging or any setting blocks or anything like that. We've just been making blocks, and the reason is before you start digging the foundation, you want to have enough blocks to go around, completely around the fence perimeter. So these are the blocks that we've done so far. I would say it's over 1,000 blocks. The ratio is 25 per bag of cement. Okay, so what that means is you're gonna get a strong block. Yes, I know, generally speaking, it's 30 to 35 blocks per bag of cement, but you want the fence or whatever you're building to last for a long time. So we reduce the amount of blocks per bag of cement. It's gonna cost a little bit extra, but it will serve you for a longer time. All right, peace.